Welcome to Math with Sowmya. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. This question from NCERT, exercise 4.3, using completing the square. So again here 2x square is there. I want to make this a perfect square. So multiply throughout by 2. So 2 into. So always if something is not perfect square, multiply through by the coefficient. 4x square plus 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. This we can write 2x whole square plus 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. Of the form a square plus 2ab here, if you can see. So I have to find b here, and in this case a is 2x. So 2ab is b, 2ab is also 2x. So 2 into 2x into b. So what is our b? 2x divided by 2 into 2x. So half. So b is half. So we will add and subtract b square. So we just do that. Now say add and subtract. What is our b? Half. So half square, because I am having a square 2ab, I need to get b square here. So 2x square, which is a square. This is 2ab plus b square. And we have to add and subtract minus 8, which is equal to 0. This whole thing will give us a plus b whole square. So half whole square, this is 1 by 4 minus 8, which is equal to 0. On simplifying, we will reach the answer. Two x plus half whole square, this is equal to 1 by 4 plus 8. 2x plus half whole square, this will be 1 plus 32 divided by 4 will give me 33 by 4. So 2x plus half whole square, we got 33 by 4. So we can take the square root here for this. So this I will write 2x plus half will be plus or minus square root of 33 by 4. So 2x plus half is equal to plus or minus root 33 as it is, as it does not have any square root. 4 you can write 2. So I can write 2x plus half is equal to plus root 3 by 2, or 2x plus half is equal to minus root 33 by 2. So now here we continue on simplifying this. This is 2x plus half plus root 30 is equal to plus root 33 by 2. So 2x will be root 33 by 2 minus half. We can write it divided by 2. So 2x is equal to root 33 minus 1 by 2. So what will be x? 2 comes down, x is root 33 minus 1, 2 into 2, which will be 4. So therefore value of x will be x is equal to root 33 minus 1 by 4. This is one of the value of x. We can find the other value of x. So we just find that. We just keep this here. Let's go finding other value of x. When we have minus, instead of plus, you take minus. So 2x is equal to minus root 33 by 2 minus half minus root 33 minus 1 by 2. So 2x will be taken minus common root 33 plus 1 by 2. So x will be minus root 33 plus 1 divided by 4. So these two will be our answer. So we can write it here. X value is root 33 minus 1 by 4, or x value is minus root 33 minus 1 by 4, or you can take the negative sign out and you can also give this. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Completing the square method from NCERT 4.3, one more question here. Here we need not have to multiply or do anything because directly this is a perfect square. So I can write this 2x whole square plus 4 root 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. So a I am already getting 2x. So 2ab is nothing but 4 root 3x. So 2 as it is, a you write this, b, if you want you can leave x also on both the side. So b will be 4 root 3x divided by 2 into x. So b will be root 3. So here what I'll give, add and subtract root 3 whole square. So this is 2x whole square plus 4 root 3x plus root 3 whole square minus root 3 whole square plus 3 which is 0. So this whole thing we can get 2x plus root 3 whole square. This is minus 3 plus 3 because root 3 square will give you minus 3. This will get cancelled. So directly we will get the square which is equal to 0 here. 2x plus root 3 whole square is equal to 0. Never do this 2x plus root 3 is equal to 0 and taking the value of x. Never do this because this is a quadratic. So you should always get the two answers, two roots for this, not the single one. So never do that. Always whenever you get the square, you have to write like this. Because if it is a square, it is quadratic and you should get two roots. So don't write like that. So this is 2x plus root 3 is equal to 0 or 2x plus root 3 is equal to 0. 2x is minus root 3. 2x is minus root 3. X is minus root 3 by 2 and minus root 3 by 2. So you should get the two values always for this. Thanks for watching. For latest updates, don't forget to subscribe.